Looking for the best CNC lathe machines? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 CNC lathe machine, comparing features, performance, and value to help you pick the perfect one for your needs. Let's get started. Item number 5. The VEVOR MX600A 1100-watt variable speed lathe is perfect for turning, drilling, threading, and cutting tasks. This compact machine features a steady rest for chatter-free operation and a follow rest for turning long, slender workpieces. It also comes with a backsplash guard for added safety. Ideal for small-scale mechanical tasks, this mini lathe offers precision and durability at an affordable price, making it a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. Item number 4. This mini metal lathe is built for precision and versatility. With a 144-watt motor reaching up to 12,000 RPM, it's perfect for soft metals like gold, silver, copper, and aluminum. It features a 0.02mm scale hand wheel for fine accuracy and can process up to 100mm in diameter and 135mm in length. Made mostly of metal, its high-speed steel tool handles non-ferrous and precious metals with ease. Ideal for hobbyists, it offers 0.05mm precision and smooth control on every cut. Item number 3. Introducing the mini lathe woodworking machine from mainland China, a compact, CE-certified lathe ideal for precision crafting. It features a durable metal build, high-speed motor up to 20,000 RPM, and a spindle speed of 3,000 RPM. With a center height of 25mm and 110mm distance, it's perfect for small-scale projects. This machine can process wood, plastic, and soft metals like pure copper and aluminum. Lightweight at 3.7 kilograms, it's powered by a 12-volt DC motor, making it efficient and versatile for DIY enthusiasts. Item number 2. Introducing the ZRCC0460 4-axis miniature metal lathe, a high-precision CE, Roche, and UL certified tool built for education and DIY. With a 60-watt motor and speeds up to 12,000 RPM, it processes materials up to 150mm in diameter. Its A-axis rotates from -90 degrees to 90 degrees with 2.5 degrees accuracy, ideal for angle machining. The all-metal build ensures durability, while safety features and child-friendly design make it perfect for students and hobbyists working with soft metals, plastics, and acrylics. Item number 1. Introducing the VEVOR CNC Mini Metal Lathe, a powerful, all-metal precision machine ideal for soft metals and plastics. With motor options from 550 watt to 1100 watts, it supports sizes from 180 by 350mm to 220 by 750mm. This CE-certified lathe features a brushless or brushed motor, ultra-quiet cooling, 0.02mm precision hand wheels, and a safe child-proof design. Perfect for DIY, workshops, and educational use, it handles complex cutting with a -90 degrees to +90 degree rotating A-axis and 225-degree accuracy for advanced angle machining. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.